Okay, so now I'm back. I'm going to have another go at doing some pieces for the Voyager. And next thing I'm going to do is reprint the nacelles. And the reason for it was I printed these in this orientation. You can see the supports are still on that one. And when I removed it, it was horrible on the side that was down. Look at it. And of course that's going to be on the outside, so it's going to be pretty prominent. It's what you're going to see when the model's displayed. And this was done with the early initial profiles that were released for the Anycubic, and it was a 0.2 profile, and yeah, like I say, nasty. So what I've done, gone back into the slicer, and this time I've orientated them upwards. So they're going to print this way up, with this on the bottom with supports. Let me just rotate this so you can see. There we go. And when I've removed the supports, the cap is going to go onto the end of this, so you won't end up seeing any rough pieces, and it should look good. Plus I'm doing it in a 0.1mm profile, so everything should be smoother and look nicer. So that's what I'm going to do. And of course, as I've just come back, I've put the filament dryers on just to prep the spools, and I'll start it any minute now. It's supposed to take 2 days to print, so yeah, that's the trouble with these color switches, pain in the backside, but that's what happens. I mean, 1 day is flush time, 1 day is printing time, so that's how you lose so much time on these color prints. Right, so I'll go and get this going, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, the Voyager nacelles started the print, and let's have a look. So it's saying, whoa, 66 hours. Holy hell. Okay, well, just gonna let it run. So that's strange, 66 hours. I swear blind it wasn't that much initially. Let's go and look. What have I done? Okay, nacelles. Yep, 66 hours. Jeez. 2 days, 19 hours. Whew. Alright. Well, just let it get on with it. I'll catch you tomorrow. I'm off to bed. Right, brand new morning. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Come to take a look at these nacelles. So 31.5% done. No problem with the Ace Pros again. Like I say, everything seems to be going great. Now I've rerouted these Bowden tubes. So yeah, doing a mixture of grey, black and yellow at the moment, which of course slows things down a bit. So we're up to 31.58% there. Still got, according to this, 2 days left to print, which I'd be interested to see if that's actually accurate. But regardless, quality looks nice. Kind of hard to see in amongst all those supports, but I'm hoping they'll look a lot better than the first ones I did. Like I say, this is on the finest layer setting, so I've got high hopes for this one. Okay, 5:30 p.m. Everything's still printing good, up to 40.6%. No stoppages, no problems. I'll let it carry on. Another day, and let's have a look how these nacelles are doing. It says I've got 24 hours and 16 minutes left, 64% done. See the poop building up there? Right, it's getting there. Again, no breakages, no stoppages, everything's going great with this layout. I'll just let it get on with it. My Voyager nacelle print took a step backwards yesterday, so it was printing like this, of course, and there's the other one over there. But what happened was the tray was forward in the middle of a print. I think it was color changing at the time, and I didn't realize I backed right into it and gave it a good whack with my backside, and that unfortunately introduced a massive offset, which I couldn't correct. So when the next layer went down, it was way off. So as a result, I had to cancel the print, rehome it, and I guess I'm going to have to go back and reprint those parts again. But on the plus side, as you can see, what was coming out was looking very nice. It's just a shame I didn't get to finish it. Damn, got about halfway there. You can see there's the older one. So it would have been down this way, so close, but yeah, probably about 60% done. What a waste of 2 days. Never mind, it's all part of the fun of 3D printing.